Home Remedies presents
Why you should put baking soda in your coffee. Have you tried adding baking soda to your coffee? If your workplace offers only cheap, gut-wrenching coffee in the kitchen, then enjoy this easy hack to make it much easier on your stomach. Yes, today we are going to add baking soda to coffee. Baking soda doesn't have any acidic properties and remains an alkaline. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps to neutralize the acidic effects of coffee significantly. This makes it much easier to digest and does so without leaving any noticeable flavor in your coffee cup. While coffee is a 5 on the pH scale, baking soda scores a 9, making it alkaline. It will tamper with the flavor of your coffee slightly though, so be sure only to add a pinch. Here are a few reasons why you should start thinking about adding baking soda to coffee today. Prevents heartburn. The use of baking soda to soothe heartburn and acidity is so widely popular that some professionals even go as far as to recommend having it in pure water as well. But if your goal is to just take care of the acidity caused by coffee, then using it with your cup of coffee would be sufficient. Using baking soda in coffee could overcome the acidity in such coffee beans. It's due to baking soda's alkaline properties which make sure that the coffee beans' acidity is taken care of just through a small amount of the ingredient. Helps with stomach ache. For those with a sensitive digestive system, drinking coffee may give rise to unwanted stomach ache. To prevent this in an easy manner, try adding baking soda to a coffee whenever possible. This would help you stay comfortable while also letting you enjoy your beverage. Helps with acid reflux. If you suffer from conditions such as acid reflux, then using baking soda in coffee could help you enjoy your drink. At the same time, steering clear of triggering any stomach ulcers. This effect usually comes about due to the acidic properties of certain coffee beans. To ensure that you are staying safe from such problems, make sure that you are adding a quarter teaspoon of baking soda to coffee. This would let you have your coffee in peace without having to worry about flinching with a stinging feeling afterwards.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.